This is a 2013 Hyundai Tucson. Ran to the garage. I'm going to replace this headlight assembly and replace the radiator in there. It's leaking. So we'll get to it. Alright, first off, what I do here to get these out, they pop out, so I kind of twist them a little bit. To hopefully get the pop out a little bit. Popping out. Oops, I'll pick that up in a second. Pop out like that. Pull this cover off. Alright, as you can see, the radiator is bone dry because it was leaking. See how it's smashed in? It's the radiator. Also, they probably need AC work too, but I can't do that here. I'll just put this condenser right back on there. But yeah. Fun. And it's cold out. Alright, the new radiator's in there. Condenser, they're going to need a new one of those. Popped in the bottom for now. I'll probably add some zip ties to hold it to the top to the radiator. For now, I'm going to have to bring it to somewhere to replace that. But going along, got that in. This is the old one. Leaking pretty good. Yeah. The headlights back in, throw it back together. I'll show you what's next. Oh yeah, so what tools I used, a pair of needle nose pliers, no screwdriver, a fastener tool, this guy for like hoses and stuff to gout. This is a hose clamp pliers with the clamps off in weird spots. I just use like regular impact, like a pair of pliers, ratchet, and I used a 10 mil swivel socket and an 8 mil swivel socket. And I think there is 113 for the top of the headlights here. Other than that, yeah, that's really all I used. So, oh yeah, and then this guy is another for hoses to get them off easier. You can also just use a screwdriver, but those work pretty good. Yeah, I just took that little thing off, the airflow, took the headlights out because it was easier. Took this top, fascia, whatever, off, and pulled this guy off right here. This is just a little thing goes right there. It pops in now. And that top fascia, there's screws at the underneath and the bottom here you're gonna get, and then two on the top, and then it just pops out of there. Other than that, you gotta disconnect the top radiator hose and the bottom one down there, way at the bottom. And these trans cooler lines, just hosed on. This metal end here is part of the radiator assembly. Pop this one, the one underneath, off, and then this fan. There's a screw here, or bolt there. It's like a 10 mil, and same on this side. And you pull it up, push it back, and then this condenser just pulls up and out. And I did, because it was bent on the old radiator, I just broke these clips off. I'll put a new radiator in so I can pull it off. It was easy. And yeah, the headlight, there's a bolt here, and then one bolt right here, and then it pulls out. Yeah, so it wasn't too bad. Yeah, so I'll get back to you when it's done, or the progress. Alright guys, so leaking coolant, pressure tested it, it's leaking on this hose, and that hose down there. I had to, some hose clamps, and take those old guys off, the ones that are on there. Those tend to leak. They're older like that. Yep, they're both leaking. The hose clamps on there, and they're not leaking now. Let's test it. It's good. Filling the coolant. Getting up to temp. And leading the system. And how you do that is, you got a funnel like that. They make other ways to do it. Put it under vacuum, and then this tool with the air hose sucks it right in that way. Still ain't gonna do this at the end, but you get one of these funnels, fill her up, and start her, let her go, let her warm up, let the coolant, fully go in, whatever it actually needs. Air bubbles come out, the highest point, and once this fan here starts turning, then you're good. And you can check to see if this guy is hot. Pretty hot. Full of coolant. Anyway. Alright guys, you can see cooling fan is on. We're good. It's a little higher. It was like at 160 something. Now it's going down. The cooling fan's on. So yeah, take one more test drive, and we'll top her off a little bit. Thanks for watching. Alright guys, it's all done, radiator's in. Everything's good, coolant's good. I wasn't able to do the headlight because they sent me the wrong part. Instead of the headlight assembly, they sent me a washer fluid reservoir instead. I don't know why. So do that a different time. But radiator's in. Figured out the blower motor. There's a short. Fried the connector and the female end on the blower motor. So they're going to need a new blower motor and a connector end I can splice in for them. But yeah, most likely some kind of short from the blower side. Things seem fine from the power end of it, whatever. So it's burned and melted, so both ends. So that should do it. That should fix that for them. Anyway, thanks. Thanks for watching.